Hello fam, welcome to today's episode with Lady Cleo's Food Hospital, a channel for intentional eaters. Today we'll be looking at my very best vegetable, the Uziza leaf. Before we get started, please do well to subscribe, like, comment, and turn on your notification bell. If you're particular about what you eat, then hop in and let's journey together. Uziza is an African plant which has two parts, the leaves and the berries called the seed. We'll be discussing its leaves today. Next time we'll take on the seeds. Uziza leaf is known for its peppery taste. Pale green when fresh and darker green when frozen, dried or ground and dried. These leaves either ways are used in soups. Uziza goes by many names such as Uziza in Igbo language, Ata Iyere in Yoruba, Eshasha in Urubo, Uziza in Ijo. Please forgive my pronunciation, but add yours in the comment section so we get to learn together. Its botanical name is PIPER guineense. This leaf was initially consumed in the southern part of Nigeria, but over time its consumption has spread across the entire country, even to the neighboring countries like Benin Republic, Ghana, Liberia, and Cameroon, amongst others. This spicy, leafy friend of mine, my sweetheart, I love this leaf a lot, has gradually found its way into intercontinental dishes and the likes. Having said the above, what is the health benefit of this peppery friend of mine? First, we have antibacterial and antifungal properties. The preference of Uziza leaf in your food can help fight bacteria and fungi bacteria-related infections. It can prevent the growth of cancer cells because of the presence of high antioxidants. It also contains compounds called mycin and monoterpene, all proven to inhibit the growth of different cancerous cells. It is a good remedy for cough and bronchitis due to its peppery compound. It equally assists in the treatment of intestinal disorders by easing indigestion, bloating, as well as the improvement of appetite. Research has equally shown that consuming this leaf in your meal consistently can improve fertility, such as ovulation, penile erections, and stimulation of sexual behaviors. Now note, this can only work for you if you do not have any underlying health issues as regards to your reproductive system. Furthermore, it promotes cardiovascular health as the leaf contains compounds that help soothe the muscles. It is good for diabetes as it helps to lower blood sugar. So feel free to use this leaf in your white soup or okra, oha, ogbono soups and the likes. Now let me know in the comment section which soup you will be trying on with those leaves. It can also be drunk as tea. Yeah, if you're a tea lover like myself, I love tea so much. So you can buy its leaves, strain and drink early in the morning. Just 2 leaves in a tea mug is okay. But if you're an ulcer patient, dilute it further because of that peppery taste. You know something? Just let's chat a little bit. You know something? God has so blessed mankind with everything it would ever need to succeed and prosper in good health of mind and body, because that is the will of our Creator. So you, my culinary friends, joined by food, and not just food, but intentional eating. Should take advantage of your kitchen, your farms if you have any. Remember, if you refuse to eat your food as drugs, you would end up eating your drugs as food. Please listen to your doctors. They are there for a reason before trying out any new food or spice, especially if you have or restricted to eating. Remember, this remains Lady Cleo's Food Hospital. Bye for now. I love you.